Well, I hope this video has been of some use to you. Thanks for watching and happy immersing. Oh my God! What are you doing in my house?
Ben, it's ready.
What's ready? Are you wearing my slippers?
Yeah, Ultimate Comfort for the Ultimate Immersion course.
The what?
The Ultimate Immersion course. Are you confused by all of the conflicting advice on the internet about how to learn a language? Well, you're not alone. Figuring out how to learn a language from the internet is a nightmare. But fear not, we've spent the past 2 years researching everything and testing it all so you don't have to. And now we're ready to show you the way.
Huh, that sounds cool. What do you need me to do?
Well, you are gonna do all of the work.
What?
Yeah, that's right. If you like watching Ben on YouTube, then you'll love bothering him every single day for a whole month.
Hang on. I didn't agree to this.
Yes, you did. It's in your contract.
You know what? Fine. I'm in. I love helping new language learners. But is it only for new language learners, though?
No. If you've got any questions about the immersion learning process, Ben is going to answer them for you.
Whatever you say, boss. Great. Well, you heard the man. If you're ready to jumpstart your learning, I'll walk you through every step of the process. There are limited seats, as I'm a limited man. So click the link below, and I'll see you in May.